So what is up, everybody? We're back with another video on a low market cap huge potential project. So today we're going to be taking a look at another micro market cap coin that has very huge potential. Again, it's about one of the most searched thing around the world right now, and there's barely any competition. There isn't a lot of coins being made on this topic, but this coin is very unique and it has very high potential. So we're going to be taking a look at this coin in this video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen. We're looking at Hormuz right now. So this, obviously, even just looking at the graph, we could tell this is going crazy. We could see this spike that it had from the low to the high was a 3,000% in just 10 days. Again, obviously less than 10 days. We're looking at low to the high right now, extreme peaks. But in just 10 days, it did a 3,000%. Absolutely crazy. More than a 30x. Again, these are very high numbers that we are seeing right now. Obviously, it has come down a little bit, but not that much. It still could go up a lot. It went to around $640,000 in market cap. Again, almost reaching a mil. So hopefully, a mil is the next goal. If we check out the website of Hormuz, we could see Strait of Hormuz. The world's most important 21-mile choke point is now a meme coin, Hermes on Sol. So Hormuz, the meme coin born in the Strait of Hormuz, turning geopolitical attention into green candles, oil tankers into rocket boosters, and FUD into fuel. So 20% of global oil flows here. Your portfolio is about to flow harder. Even just reading about this on their website, it's very helpful to know what the coin is about and the backstory of the coin. We could see Hormuz is what happens when the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most expensive 20-mile of water, gets tired of being serious and decides to become a meme coin. So every time someone threatens to close the strait, chart goes up. Every one time the sanction drop, another green candle, right? The two world's leaders stare each other down. Someone posts 50x incoming. So the strait might close tomorrow. You never know when this is going to close, right? This is about political kind of conflict going on. So this, even if one party makes a move, it goes up. The other one makes a move, it still goes up, which is again absolutely crazy. The tokenomics very simple. A billion tokens being made, calculated supply, every fully circulated, unlocked, right? Post graduations from pumped up fund, right? Liquidity locked on radium contract, renounced, and taxes 0% buy and sell. So again, very easy throughout. Good tokenomics. We could see how to buy. You get a very simple how to buy kind of tutorial. Get a wallet, install a Solana compatible wallet, whether that be Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet. Again, there's tons of wallets out there that you could use, and you could go ahead and add funds. Obviously, if you need to buy this coin, you need to have Solana in your wallet. So to buy Solana, just add some Solana in your wallet and you could swap on DEX. So open your preferred DEX like Jupiter or Radium, and here you could paste up your contract. This is their contract address right here, ending with pump, because again, this was a coin created on pump.fund, so it ends with pump. Select your slippage and click swap. So again, you could check out this coin. Even the community, we could see there's a Telegram group, there's a on X, there's a page on X. Let's go ahead and check that out as well. We could see they have 3.3 thousand members already, so roughly 25% of the global oil and gas flows through the Strait of Hormuz. So this is why this is very important. We could see them posting maps, great buying, 380 market cap, right? We could see even a lot of people are talking about this on X. We could see one of the strongest narratives in crypto right now tied to the Strait of Hormuz. It's still in its early phase and people still got time to load up. Can't wait to see the skyrocket soon. It's not a day, it's a 50x. We could see just another notice another YouTube video dropped 20 minutes ago. More engagement is building up brick by brick organically, right? There's a lot going on with this coin. we knows what we hold, this will make millions. Again, this is a very memeable coin as well. There's a lot of memes being made around this coin, which obviously gets a lot of engagement, and that is why this coin keeps growing. And if the coin grows, the memes grow, this the market cap goes up and the price goes up. So that's what's happening right now. Again, there's a lot of memes being made. It's getting more and more attention, and as this conflict continues to grow, more members join and more people join in Hormuz, and the market goes up. Again, even this chart, we can see it started off, it went to around $88,000 market cap in the early phase, right? This is only a couple of days ago. It started in the 1st of March, so basically just this month. And again, half of the month it was basically just sideways. Again, not huge movement, but there was something. But at the 20th is where it really picked up. We see this huge green candle followed by a continuous 5 or 6 green candles, and then obviously it just continued to grow, reaching a peak of $640,000 in market cap. Again, just back down a little bit on almost about 400k, right? But it will most likely continue to grow as we go on. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take a look at a low market cap, huge potential meme coin in the market right now. Again, this is a growing topic. It's very political, very memeable, so it has a huge potential. Again, it hopefully continues to grow and will be right with you on the journey. So if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about the video, and also don't forget to check the coin out from the links down in the description. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.